Come on, write their names. What's that?
Don't know.
A window.
Window.
A window.
Window.
A window.
Window. Muscle, muscle, muscle. This is the shape I will ride. Papa and Mama, goodbye.
Why goodbye?
That's that song goes.
That's how the song goes.
Muscle, muscle, muscle. This is the shape I will ride.
Window.
I'm singing. Mama and Papa, goodbye. Can I make it like this?
You can erase it. Get the eraser.
Don't. Look at it's dirty.
We'll clean it up later. Come on. So that you're ready for kindergarten next year. What's that? A pizza.
Pizza.
You like pizza, Nak?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No,
No?
because it tastes really bad.
It tastes bad. It tastes good nga. You like it eh.
No,
The sausage, you like it eh.
no.
Oh, use your eraser now.
That's okay.
That's okay? Okay.
It's upside down.
What's upside down?
Look.
Oh.
Six times 6, 36.
Uy, galing ah. 6 times 6, 36.
Shh.
Why did you skip the rest of the letters? You start here first, Zoe.
Wait. What's long? Why?
That's necklace. Necklace.
Necklace. It's not Lexter.
Necklace.
This?
Necklace. Necklace. Come on, so that you'll surprise Mommy is. So ito ha.
Mama is.
Oh, very good. Ay, what nice. Very good. Very good, very good.
Kiss Mommy is and hug. Kiss Mommy is and hug. Who taught you how to write Mommy is, diba?
Look at the rating. Ay, very good talaga. Look, oh, very nice. See?
Very nice.